Hey everyone, how are you doing? I'm just doing a quick test of some screen capture software we've got. See if my laptop's got enough power to run all the screen capture stuff on the audio monitoring. So I have my... Can you see it on here? I don't think I can. Oh. I'm running a webcam that's capturing my yaesu 710. I'm running my laptop webcam that's capturing me, so apologies for that. And I'm running log4om for the login side of things. And I'm just doing a little bit of hunting, to be honest, see what I can hear today. I'll just turn this up. So I might just be hearing Papa Yankee 3, Papa Delta Romeo in Brazil. Here he comes. I like log4om because it gives you all the details, it gives you a little QRZ picture, tells you if you've actually worked them again or anything like that. It's just up here. It's quite handy. Also, it tells you if the list of the world user, or if they exchange QRZ, QSL cards, or the on QRZ or EQSL. So I do EQSL, so I'm interested in that. Let's just see what this alert is up here. So this alert is going to hide from me. There he is. This alert is a set of photo alert. You see that? Stick in the middle. So Kilo 2 Lima Tango is on 30 minutes. I was doing CW. So we're going to see if we can hear him. So if I double click on this, double click, and my mode's changed to CW, so that's good. But no huge surprises. Okay, is done on 10. Don't often work 30 meters. When I say don't often, I mean I don't ever. So let's take ourselves around. My first hop is usually somewhere in Europe, so let's go for an easy one. Get this guy here, just updated. Double click, and we're going to change the frequency. I don't think I'm getting an awful lot on 28, to be honest. I'm going to go up for a different band. Let's come down a bit. It's one time of day. Forget a tilly. Of course, this isn't going to work because I've got the wrong headset on. I'm going to go and work this out, guys. I was saying about the working people before. I've already worked this guy on phone on 20 meters and it's confirmed on EQSL, so that's quite nice. It's one of the Italian stations. It's a special call. What? Special call up there on the left. Okay, I think I'm going to stop recording now. I'm going to go away and have a think about how I can do this better. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please click like, and if you really like it, then click subscribe. And if you don't like it, well, don't tell anyone. Cheers. So please.